Tool Vibe, that is what REGO-FIX is showcasing as one of their major innovations at EMO 2025. And I'm at REGO-FIX stall. This is the passport. This tool vibe, this is basically optimizing the process of machining by measuring the vibrations of the tools, and that's how you can have more optimization of the timing. I have with me Lukas, who is the CTO, who is going to talk about tool vibe.
Mechanical machining is still one of the most important machining operations we have for manufacturing. Because of this, we need any help we get, and what you see here is just one possibility to get it. And this is our Tool Vibe. Tool Vibe combines the specific PowRgrip technology with the sensors as an acceleration sensor, which can help you to measure vibrations in your process. And again, this process data you can use then to optimize your process. And this is exactly where we have to go for to reach the perfect efficiency. This is a product which is important for all the markets, because usually you're gaining efficiency, and you need also all the information you need to do this. This is one of the tools you can do, which can help you exactly for that.
All right, so that's all about Tool Vibe. This is the innovation, and I'm now handing it over to Lukas.